Hey everyone! Looking for a tool to make digging easier? Meet the VEVOR electric post hole digger, your go-to for planting, fencing, or landscaping. With its powerful motor and user-friendly design, this tool is perfect for homeowners and pros alike. Let's dive in. Getting started is super simple. Assembly: attach the 4-inch steel auger bit to the motor shaft and tighten it securely. Power it up, plug it into a standard outlet, make sure the cord is out of the way. Operations: grab the ergonomic handles, position the auger, and hit the power switch. Steady pressure, and it drills like a champ. Quick tip: always wear gloves and goggles, and check for underground utilities before digging. Safety first. Here's what makes this digger a standout. Powerful 1500 W motor delivers serious torque to handle most soil types. Heavy-duty auger bit, built from tough steel for reliable digging. Ergonomic handles, comfortable for longer jobs and help reduce fatigue. Safety lock, prevents accidental starts, so you're always in control. So, how does it perform? Users love how easily it handles soil, whether you're planting trees or installing fence posts. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable for extended use. But here's the deal, it's not perfect for rocky or super compacted terrain. Pre-loosening those areas can make a big difference. Also, it's corded, so you might need an extension cord for bigger jobs. Well, let's have a look at quick pros and cons. First, let's start with the pros. Powerful motor for efficient digging. Sturdy, long-lasting build. Easy to use with great safety features. Now, let's look at the cons. Struggles in rocky soil. Limited mobility due to the cord. Could use more auger size options. Before wrapping this up, let's look at the feedback from our beloved customers. After carefully considering the pros, cons, and customers' feedback, we have rated it like 5 out of 5 for power and durability, and an overall score of 4.4 out of 5. The VEVOR electric post hole digger is a reliable and affordable tool for residential and light commercial projects. So whether you're planting a garden or setting up a fence, this digger's got you covered. Check it out if you're ready to take the hassle out of digging. What do you think? Would you give it a try? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching.